Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 353 Arlington Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located in highly desirable Glen Park neighborhood. And here we are, and it's only a 9-minute walk to their little downtown area, which has a lot of little food options, and it's really cute and quaint. And 10 minutes walk to the BART station, so that's going to be really super fantastic. Here is the street, looking around, wide street, beautiful sunny day in San Francisco. And looking around, there's the front facade of the building. Really well maintained, absolutely gorgeous. And this does include a tandem parking spot through that automatic garage right there. You walk in and you have absolutely gorgeous floors. This place and walls. This place smells, feels like a brand new house. It's absolutely incredible. Here's a large storage closet in the foyer area. And to the right, you also have a coat closet. You do need some coats in San Francisco. I have quite a collection myself, so that's a great closet for it. Okay, here is the garage area. It does include a tandem parking spot, which means one in front of the other. There is the backyard. That is actually just private use for the cottage in the back, and that is a shared washer and dryer, only shared between yourself and that cottage in the back. Okay, by the way, there's no coins in that washer dryer here. Okay, let's go ahead and step up. You'll notice a cute little foyer right there. And the floors are absolutely brand new, and it just looks great. It feels great. You're going to love this place. Here is the dining room, formal dining room, and gorgeous light-filled living room. Okay, stepping on into the beautiful kitchen, solid surface countertops, top mount fridge, bottom mount freezer, dishwasher, stainless steel on the inside as well, lots of options there. Large single undermount sink. I love these top mount fridges, they're the best, very convenient. I wish I had one day I will. Okay, lots of cabinetry, lots of countertop space, gas burners, and microwave built in, so that saves you countertop space. Absolutely perfect. Look at this amazing large deck right off the kitchen. You will use this all the time, and this will be a lovely place to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because we're all at home these days. So, okay, oh my God, look at that gorgeous oversized window in the bedroom. We'll be up there in a moment. It actually has an amazing view. Okay, just looking at the courtyard. Now that is for the cottage in the backyard, but just to let you know what's down there. And let's step back into the kitchen. Lovely tile floor. Beautiful living area, gorgeous fireplace, and the inset there would be perfect for a nice piece of art. So whatever your taste is, just as long as it fits within that inset there. Okay, let's go up to the third floor. So this is a tri-level home. Look at those white risers and oak steps, gorgeous. Okay, we have a nice skylight. Lots of natural light in this place. Okay, here is the bathroom. It has a tub shower combination, a ton of storage in that vanity mirror, and actually a nice view out of the shower area. and lots of countertop space as well. So we have, I love these double-sided mirrors in the vanity. Lots of storage. Oh, nice big magnifying mirror right there. So you can look at your beautiful face. Okay, by the way, these doors look like they're louvered doors, but they're actually solid. They just have the illusion of being louvered. Absolutely incredible. So a nice look, but completely functional. Okay, nice big rear-facing bedroom, tall ceilings, and look at this window. You're going to absolutely love it. Actually, let's look at the closet first. Adjustable shelving. Oh my goodness. This is actually much better in person, but it is absolutely gorgeous just looking over those rolling hills and homes in San Francisco. There's your large deck. You know, decks that are off kitchens are used 3 times as much. I just made that fact up, but it's pretty much true. Could be 10 times. Okay, front-facing bedroom. Lots of windows. Blinds built in, don't have to worry about that. Little nook over there, small desk. Large closet, same adjustable shelving. Okay, so 2 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bathroom, heading downstairs into the living room, kitchen, dining room. And remember, the first floor had 2 closets and access to a tandem garage and washer-dryer. Gorgeous dining room. Beautiful kitchen. You could actually put a kitchen island in that kitchen if you needed additional countertop space. Okay, let's take a look at some still images of the property. Thank you so much for watching. That concludes our tour. Have a lovely day and best of luck in your home search.